All right. Y'all ready? Where's Isaac at? Isaac, come up here. So we're in Mississippi for the last 2 weeks, and now the day is May the 4th. And my family always gets together and watches the Kentucky Derby, and today is Derby Day. We're gonna have a good time. We just got to my niece's house. So come on, let's go inside and see what they got going on today. Y'all ready, gang?
Yes!
Baby Isaac, babe.
It's been 3 whole years since we've been able to take the kids to visit family in Mississippi, but guess what? We're back. We've got some serious family fun planned, and we can't wait to show you all the special moments along the way. Get ready for some heartwarming family reunions, delicious Southern cooking, and some real Curtis-style adventures. So hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and come along for the ride. It's time for a Curtis family adventure.
Derby Day. Let's do it. Curtis Family Adventures. Y'all gonna get to meet the rest of the Curtis crew? Let's do it. Derby Day, let's do it, Curtis fam. See if they're gonna open the door.
There's a ding dong.
My batteries.
Hi!
Welcome to Derby Day. Curtis Family Adventures here.
Come on in.
Rocking the Derby. What's happening with the Derby? What we gonna do today, niece? What we gonna do today? Y'all say hello. Curtis Family Adventures is in the house. Let's do it.
Come on, let's show you.
Come on, let's go, niece.
Come on, Bubba's. Pippies.
What we got, niece? Come on, 2 baddies. Wow. My sister Denise. Say hello, sis.
Hello.
Wow, got the goodies lined up. Got some, trying to think in English. Brownies, popcorn. My sister got her brother some deer sauce. This is mine, right?
Yes, that's yours.
Wow. Got it going on for the Derby Day at the Curtis Family Adventures. What's up, man? Say hello.
Hey.
That's what we're talking about. Let's get it going on. Look at that. Race on over. What's Nana doing? Nana, what's up?
Not much. I didn't have a derby shirt, so I had a rodeo shirt.
Huh? What you gonna do today, Isaac?
What the horse I did?
You don't know.
There's one thing I always do.
Curtis family, big party. Gonna see what the kid does.
Locking nobody out.
Tell them, Mackenzie. Tell them. What they doing to you, Lindsay?
No, Colton locked him out.
Colton locked y'all out? Y'all come on in here and lock him out. Come on.
Yeah.
That's a smart thing to do.
They already locked him out once.
They did what?
They locked him out once.
Yeah.
Twice, actually.
4
Funny?
times. Yeah.
Curtis Family Adventures, Derby Day, having a derby party. Silly girls, silly kids. Let's go.
I did not. No, I said yeah.
Back at it here at Derby Day, getting ready for the Derby. Curtis Family Adventures, Derby Day. What you think? What you think, Jacob?
Yes, sir. Going
What you
good.
think? What you think, Curtis? Derby Day.
Oh, yeah.
What you think, Princess? Can you tell our YouTube people hello?
Say cheese.
Getting ready here. Derby's coming soon. We're excited. Let's go. All right, so we're going to show you the food that we have and the names with it. So these were Derby Delight Bites. You can tell the chicken strips or nuggets are gone. The next one is going to be deer sausage, and it's called In the South Sausage. And we got what we got right here on the number 3. The third dish of the day is called Winter Circle Chicken Salad. Moving on around to the next side. What we got right here? Daily Double Sausage Dip. Wow. You got some kind of corn stuff. It's called Giddy Up Corn Dip. It looks good, doesn't it? It's the number 2. Right there. Look at the napkins. So cool. My sister Denise did a fantastic job on the decorating. Our family just loves the Kentucky Derby. We grew up around racehorses our whole life. Ooh, there's some mint Juliet juice. It looks like it's gone, doesn't it? Hey, so we all drawing horses? Why they get to draw 2? Why can't I draw 2? I got this old sorry horse you gave me.
Don't be that way.
He gonna win.
Here you go. Everybody, y'all get a draw. One in there.
What I got? What horse I got? Just Steel.
That's who I wanted.
Just Steel.
That's who I wanted.
You wanted what?
I want my horse.
No.
That I wanted.
I'll sell him to you for $100.
Give us the trade.
You got $100? What horse you got, baby? Sierra.
Everybody got your horse.
Oh, you got Pip got the 2 best horses. Tell me about it. There's your horse. No.
Who else is shooting here?
All right. So we're gonna go around. What horse you got, Isaac?
16 and 14. 16 and 14.
16 and 14. What horse y'all got?
Resilience.
What's the name of your horse?
Catching Freedom.
Catching Freedom. There you go.
I know, it's right there.
Allison, what horse you got?
Just a touch.
What you got, Chris?
Track Phantom.
What you got?
Fierceness.
What you got, Mama? Look at her sucking because I got her horse.
Just Steel.
No, you don't. I got Just Steel. What you got?
Honor Marie.
Well, you got the 2 best horses in the pick of the herd there, baby.
She got Resilience.
She got
and
Sierra Leone and Resilience. What you got?
Stronghold.
Stronghold. You got some strongholds in your life you need to get rid of.
Society Man and Forever Young.
Yeah. What you got, Nace?
West Saratoga.
What you got?
Easy. Don't you count that horse out.
What you got, Lens?
Catalytic and domestic product.
Wow. Let's go.
Steel.
There's my horse right there. Look at him coming on over here. Look at him flying. 22 to 1. He ain't too getting under the odds on him, is he?
I don't know. You can switch with me.
There's getting ready to run the race. They getting the saddles on them. Y'all ready to see what we're gonna do? Ready for the race? Mama, you still mad because you didn't get your horse?
Yes. I want.
There's the jockeys.
It's gonna be West Saratoga and Just Steel.
Let's go. They finna put the saddles on. Post time shortly. All right. I got
the roses on.
2 horses.
You okay?
On first horse is Just Steel. He's a good horse. He's a justified baby. I'm really excited about. And then I got a 21 Epic Ride. Don't know nothing about him. He's in the 21st hole, so we'll see. Post time's coming shortly. Let's go. Right there.
Just Steel.
There he is, Just Steel.
22 to 1. And if he runs his last race back, if the coach has him
Gonna do it
again,
today.
he's got a
Let's
great
go. Here we go. That's wrong thing, son. Yee! Just Steel. Come on, big boy. That ain't your horse.
25-year-old jockey Keith Asmussen making his Derby debut. 7 is on.
That's my horse.
That's Mama. That's your name.
I'm gonna name you. She wants you. Got a Curtis jockey.
Got a Curtis jockey. Being Curtis, is that something I can't follow? Down there around Collins. Just a touch, Allison. What?
Next to the 10, T.O. Password.
I don't know whose horse that is.
Connor.
Connor's got 2 passwords too?
That one, yeah.
First Derby with both trainer and jockey. They expect him to go
Oh.
out early. Here's the other Japanese horse, the 11th, Forever Young.
There's your horse, Curtis.
Forever Young. From where's he from?
Jockey and trainer currently
Sumsudo Batida.
12 is Track Phantom. Potential early pace setter here. In the money, all but one of his 7 stars. Trainer Steve Asmussen.
Look at he done like this. You where from?
West Saratoga, the 13th. The sentimental long shot.
Where's Saratoga? Woo! Hey, your niece.
Come on now. I can't see. I'm still for 6 and 13.
Let's go. And Lindsay. Is that in what?
Michael McCarthy's Derby. Domestic product here.
She's got Sierra Leone and Resilient.
There's Isaac. Where you at, son? Where's your horse?
Isaac's 14. Is he 16? Here's mine.
There you are, Kenny.
No bull. You see him with John shorts.
Who did put my horse?
Stronghold. Who's that? Jacob.
Jacob.
Yeah, I'm going for the dude from
Obama ain't got no horse in this race.
There's your horse, Pip.
That's yours, Pippi. Oh, that's a good looking horse, isn't it, Phil? Here comes Daddy's nag. I'm on Daddy's other horses. Bless his little heart. Boy, you got 2 sticks on there?
I'd like to put 10,000 on that.
All right, next stop is the gates. Getting ready for the big derby. Race is coming soon. Let's go. Look at it. Yeah, that's what's his name? It's Curtis's horse. Hey, halfway loaded. Here we go. Let's go. Here we go. 2024 Kentucky Derby.
150th anniversary.
They still got my horse, Epic. I got that horse. He's supposed to win it all. Let's go, son. What's right on? Everybody's sweating bullets because of you. Here he goes. As soon as they load him, they're going to pop him. Here they go. Here we go. Watch your number 6 horse. Where you at, Isaac? Here they go. Let's go. Oh, what a sandwich. There goes the gray horse. Come on now. We got a long way to go. Where you at, 6? Look at 21. 21 is pushing to the front. There's Epic Ride in the front right there. Look at Epic Ride. My horse is right there in the hunt. Let's go. Just Steele's in the second. Let's go. Quarter of a mile and 20. That's a fast pace. There's a fast pace. There's a fast pace. 46 and a half. Let's go. Just Steele. He's pacing his time, ain't he? Mackenzie right there with us. Mackenzie's horses now is 3 to 1. Let's go. Epic Ride's pushing to the front. Come on, Epic Ride. Look at my horse is going to run in the top 5. Fierceness is getting behind. Here we go, round the turn. Let's go. Round the big turn. Here we go. Put the sticks to him, boys. Oh. Man, he pushed him up against the rail. Come on, Steele. Come on, Steele. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. That's Mystic something. Let's go. Here he comes. They're going to run him down. Come on, Steele. He's going to run him down. He's going to run him down. Oh, 311 and 2.
Yeah. 5 million 3 ways.
That dude just hit a kill it.
No, it ain't just steel, Mama.
That was cold.
That's 311 and 2. 311 and 2. What number's you, bud?
I didn't win.
You didn't? Was you number 3 or
18.
Just still 11.
no? He's 6. Who's got 311 or 2?
Colton has 3. Colton has
All right.
She's got 2.
Who's got 11? Look at your tickets now. Here we go. Look how close it is.
Look at him.
Finish as the three come down towards
Oh
the
my
end.
gosh.
Look at that right
Oh,
there.
the nose is right.
Wow, babe.
Oh,
That is so stinking close. So close.
Off the ground at the same time. Oh,
What a picture, man. What a picture, right?
I'm pretty sure it's 10.
I don't know the inside horse. Watch him right here. Gets the.
I don't know the inside.
I know. Who's got 311 or 2?
I have
11.
It looks like it's that on the inside.
Go to that. Lisa, go to that message you sent me.
It's Mystic Dan.
That's Mystic Dan.
Okay, that's Colton's horse.
And it is the Oaks Derby Dog.
That's Forever Young. Now, who was the 2 horse? Fish. Sierra. Pippa. Pippa, that's your horse, Phil.
Ben Jones in 1952.
Who won it? The green. Colton. Colton won. Colton's horse. All right. Derby interview with the winner. So tell me what you think about your horse when he started the race. Did you think the horse had a good chance in this race? No. You didn't? Are you happy with the outcome, son? Yeah. Yeah? Tell me how the year went training this horse. Was it a hard year training your horse? No comments. He's so excited he can't talk. Pippa, what do you think about running second? Did your horse run second? Did you train your horse all year long? Was it a tough year? It was? All right. What do you think? Your horse ran somewhere, look.
We'll come back again next year.
Come back again next year. Wow, what a race.
Thanks for coming along on today's adventure. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button. And if you haven't already, smash that subscribe button to join the Curtis fam for more fun times ahead. We've got plenty more adventures coming your way, so stay tuned.